Hey, I'm Angus, and I've been using the Human Charger wrong. If you don't know what the Human Charger is, it's a device, goes around your head, these little earplugs go inside your ear, you press the little button, and it shines the right level of light through your brain. Similar to satellite, except you're wearing it all the time, and with a satellite, you have to be quite close to it. With this, it's inside your head, and it's shining through the sort of the thin eardrum right into the brain, and it's really good for the mitochondria of the brain. And a lot of mental health disorders, including things like SAD, are because we are not stimulating the mitochondria in our brain, and it's not utilizing glucose properly. So there's evidence now that schizophrenia, bipolar, and depression could be a glucose problem in the brain, and you want to activate that mitochondria in your brain, and the Human Charger does just that. But I have been utilizing it wrong. So just like you would maybe have 2-3 cups of coffee in the morning, I was only using Human Charger once. So I would get up in the morning on the time that I wanted to get up. So say 7 a.m. is the time. I get up kind of pre-7, pop the Human Charger on, get on with my day, pop it on, hit the light switch at 7 a.m. And that's how I would use the Human Charger. But if you refer to my other video on jet lag, you use it on the hour every hour. And so I'm just way underutilizing it. I live in the north of Scotland. We're just past the spring equinox, so the weather is bright, even though it's dull and overcast today. But what you can do is 7 a.m., use it for its kind of 12-minute burst. It has its sort of inbuilt timer, so when you press the button, and then every hour on the hour, maybe up until 12 noon, you could use it. So you're getting several bursts throughout the day, which is going to help elevate your energy and help with your mood regulation, particularly if you do suffer from sort of SAD, which is SAD, which is seasonal affective disorder, which is just kind of like this generalized depression, because we are naked monkeys and we should live around the equator. What the hell am I doing in the north of Scotland? So you can hack this and give yourself a little bit more energy, a little bit more motivation, which means you're going to move a little bit more. Your appetite may be more suppressed, so you could use it as a dieting tool, particularly if you gain weight over the winter, if your mood's low over the winter, your productivity is low over the winter. This is how to use it. So use it on the hour, every hour, starting on the time that you want to set your circadian rhythm. So for me, it's 7 a.m. You might be earlier than that, you might be later than that. But that's how I would use it, and this is how I'm going to be using it moving forward.